You won't believe it. One of my customers contacted me yesterday and he said he got a quotation from one of the consultants in Dubai for $22,000 to register a mainland company. That is like out of the roof pricing. That's out of the roof costing. That's a big no. So as I have explained to you in my earlier videos that the pricing of free zone and pricing of mainland companies is much lower than what is being quoted to you. So hi, my name is Asif. Welcome to Warson Lifestyle. Once again, this video is about how you can register a tax-free company in Dubai within 2 days. That is the fastest we can do for you. Now, obviously you'll be concerned about the costing, pricing, how much it's going to cost you, what are the timelines, and the biggest concern, the bank account. You can reach out to anyone in Dubai. They'll definitely tell you, yes, you can register this company maybe in 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. But all you need to know when you're contacting someone is about the bank account. There are companies that you can open instantly, but you will not be able to get a corporate bank account. So you need to know how soon can you get a corporate bank account, right? As I've explained you in my previous videos, if you go to my channel, you'll see videos about the free zone, you'll see videos about mainland, and you will also see the videos about what is the difference between the two and why should you choose a particular authority like a mainland or the free zone. So here I'm going to explain you how you can set up your company, which is going to be tax-free within 2 days time. First thing first, you need to decide whether you want to set up a free zone company or a mainland company. In free zone companies, these are meant for usually online businesses or those businesses which are restricted to a particular area. By area I mean that free zone is a particular area. So if your business is restricted to only that place, or if it's an online business like web designing, digital marketing, you can take a free zone license. And if you're not planning to scale that business in future, if you're just planning to have you yourself working and maybe a friend of yours, just 2 people or something like that, then yeah, you can go for a free zone license. I would like to tell you before I explain you about the mainland, in free zone, getting the bank account is a lengthy process. It doesn't happen instantly. If you're expecting or someone is telling you could get the bank account in a free zone license maybe tomorrow, next week, no. Nobody can promise you that maybe you might get it in 10 days, 1 month, 6 months or more. Now you understood about the free zone. Let's go to mainland. So in mainland, if you're planning to scale your company in future, hire employees, you better go for a mainland company, right? In mainland company, you can have retail businesses, you can have a retail office, you can have a showroom where you can sell things. If you have that kind of business, so it's advisable that you go for a mainland company. It is easy to open the bank account when you have a mainland company. It's not going to take time. So you understand the difference between the two already, right? Next step of how to register this company. About this also there are videos already that I have made about free zone and mainland also. Now for free zone, it takes time. It might take 2 weeks to 4 weeks to complete the process of registering your company, right? And for mainland, it's going to happen within 10 days time, including the visa. The trade license you will get within 2 days. So within 2 days, we apply for the initial approval, we get your name registered, and we get your trade license. And this can be done while you are in your own country or you are in UAE. It doesn't matter. So you can get your trade license while you're anywhere in the world. Okay. So with that being said, how are these companies now tax-free? Obviously, in Dubai there is VAT, value added tax applicable, right? So, but you're not paying that tax from your pocket, right? You are receiving that tax from the other party, the person or the company that you're offering the service to or you're selling goods to. So you're getting that 5% from there, and then you're paying that 5%. So what are the taxes that you're currently paying in your country? I'm sure you must be paying the corporate tax, you must be paying the income tax, you must be paying the goods and services tax, you must be paying value added tax and whatnot. I know in most of the countries in the world the taxes exceed 50%. So here in Dubai, you're paying VAT, as I said, but VAT is, that is a receivable from the customer or the wherever you're offering your services. So you're technically not paying anything from your pocket. Other than that, there's going to be that the UAE government recently started. You must have heard about the corporate tax, which is 9%, but this is only applicable if your sales or if your income rather is crossing 375,000 dirhams a year. Now, in certain free zones, there are exceptions also, for which certain documentation is required, for which we will discuss about that in a separate video, because there's going to be a long discussion about that. Other than this, you're technically not paying any income tax, you're not paying any goods and services tax as equal to what you might be paying in any other country. Like in certain countries, there's 18% service tax and even 28% service tax, right? So if you have a small business and your income does not cross 375,000, you're not even paying the corporate tax, right? You're only paying value added tax every year. As I said, that is a receivable, so you're paying nothing from your pocket. And this entire setup can be done within 2 days. If you're looking for a visa for yourself, that might take about 5 to 7 days. So including the visa, the total timeline for setting up a mainland company, right, will be about 10 days. And I've also given you the costing. I will give you a rough idea for any company in mainland, right? If you're setting up a company along with a sponsor, where a local sponsor is required or a local service agent is required, his name is going to be there on the license. If you set up a company with a local sponsor, it's going to cost you less, as in the pricing might come to about, say, maybe around 16 to 17,000 dirhams, including your visa. And if you're going full 100% ownership company, that is a LLC in mainland, the costing will be about 22,000 to 25,000 roughly, depending upon the activity that you go with, right? This includes operation registration, like as in when you register your company, you get your trade license. You also apply for the immigration card, you apply for the labor card, so those things are included in this. And with the mainland company, it'll be easier for you to apply for the visa for your employees also. While as in free zone, that's kind of difficult, as in you need to change the package and stuff like that, and costing is also high. So I think I've clearly explained you about why you should choose a free zone or why you should choose a mainland business authority. What is the difference between the two? How soon can you open a bank account in a free zone? How soon can you open a bank account in a mainland company? How is the taxation placed? And what taxes do you pay? And I also explained you the timelines. How soon can you open the companies in UAE? Now, if you are in your own country, there's a very big question I always get from the people, which is, how do you trust someone and send them money online, right? Because obviously you'll not be able to come here and give them money in, by hand or face to face. So you'd have to send them money, right? So you will, if you're dealing with someone, you should check their Google reviews. First thing, you should check how is their public domain visibility. Are they on Instagram? Or is this company there on Google, on YouTube? Are they available in public domain? People who are actually very active in public domain are less likely to scam you, because scammers, they don't show you their face, they are not there in the public domain, right? This is second. Third, you should ask for the company trade license, because if you're dealing with a registered company in Dubai or in UAE, your money is not going to go anywhere. Fourth, when you're making the payments, pay in the company's corporate bank account. If you follow these four things, no one in UAE can scam you. So you need to see the trade license of that company. You need to transfer the money only in the corporate bank account. You need to check their Google reviews, and you need to check their public domain. If you're clear with these four things, you're good to go. Over and above this, if you know someone in Dubai and you want to pay by cash, that is better. You can send the person to their office and pay there. So that way your money remains safe and you can start your business, and I wish you good luck and all the best. If you need any advice with regards to the licensing or the business, I'm always available there. I would also like to remind you that if you want our help to set up your business, we charge zero consultation fees when it comes to setting up free zone companies. You only pay the government fees. Okay, I'm going to give you my team's contact number right here in this video. You can reach out on that contact number, and if you need to set up a company, we're always available. My team will always be available. And you can reach out to me also on my Instagram, which is Asif, ASIF_war, for any questions, or you can write to me at my email, which is asifwar2012@gmail.com, or you can comment here. Also, I will request you to comment, like, and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel in order to enable me to make more videos, more informative videos. Whenever you come to Dubai, or if you're in Dubai, we can always meet up, catch up. If you want to have a discussion about your business that you're planning to set up, I'm always open to that. My team is always available to receive you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it.